Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about Copilot as an AI assistant online. So let's start. So first of all, you can search for Copilot, just Google it online and you can come to Copilot webpage. In Copilot webpage, it is an AI assistant that will help you when you leave a comment to them. For example, they can generate songs, music, or even they can generate image out of your comment prompt. So let me show you an example. So I want an example for an cat. So strong cat with muscle in animate. So basically you can type your prompt and you can just submit, and they will generate out the image based on your comment. So basically you can see the image that they generate out based on the comment. You also can make your comment to be more details so that they can have more comment to take in consideration when generating using AI. Besides that, they also are same like ChatGPT. They also can provide solution or even comment or even helping you to write a script when you need their assistant. They also can help you to plan the vacation planner or even cooking assistant based on your requirement, how to set the time, what ingredient needed. You can use them to plan your activity. So I will provide another example. For example, you want to ask for any tutorial question with answer by comment. So for example, we are going to ask them, provide me how to use Photoshop to edit photos in removing background. So after that, you can just ask them to give a solution. Basically, they will provide you all of those solution you can do. They also provide you a video from YouTube so that you can have a reference. So it is quite convenient when you need assistance to like make a software or even during coding and others. Besides, you also can maybe upload an image for them so that they can edit the image for you. So let us show you some example. So I have uploaded an image, so I asked them to make the image, make the attached image to be on night mode and include some lighting from the village. So after that, I have insert my comment. I can ask them to generate it up. So they will analyze the image and also provide the solution. So basically you can see their image they have generated. So it's quite fast. So if you want to learn more, you can just go try out yourself on Copilot. That's all. Thank you very much.